Hey guys, I'm back again. Today we're checking out this plastic welder kit from Amazon. It really should be called a hot stapler. They also claim it can repair of tin and nail breaking, whatever that means. Anyway, it comes in a kit. You get a ton of these little staples in different sizes and shapes. They actually give you too many to fit in the little compartment in the case. It also came with a pair of side cutters, but those are in my scrap metal bin. We'll talk more about that later. And this snap knife. No idea what that has to do with plastic stapling, but it's okay. The gun itself surprisingly has some heft to it. It reminds me of those old school soldering irons. It has these two brass tips here. This is where you insert the staples. Then you press the switch and it heats up, and you smush it into the plastic. Don't worry, it's not plugged in. To demo this, I got this cracked plastic bin. This is clear plastic, so we should be able to see the staples going in a little better. I've played around with this a few times already. You only need to heat the staple for a few seconds before applying it. Then you gotta make sure you don't hold it there too long, or you can melt it all the way through the plastic. You just want to go until the plastic just starts to flow around the staple, locking it in. It only takes a couple seconds. The time is going to vary depending on the thickness of the plastic and the size of the staple you're using. You just gotta trial and error it until you get the feel for it. Here's a shot of me going in from the rear. You can see how the staple melts its way into the plastic. I like to try and alternate the staples if I can, have one going from the front and then the next one going from the back. This one here I held a little too long and it started to melt all the way through. Now it's possible I'm applying these wrong. Maybe you're supposed to go lengthwise across the crack. The instruction manual is complete gibberish, so I don't know for sure. But both ways have worked fine for me so far. Now that our repair is done, we're not actually done. We got all these long pokey bits to deal with. The side cutters that came with the kit are junk. So then I thought I'd use these Doyle pliers from Harbor Freight. That ruined the pliers. These are junk too. I might do a full video on them later on. I wanted to use these because they have that little tab that holds on to the cut section of the wire. So I had to bust out my 30-year-old channel lock cutters. These held up fine. Those little cut-off pieces of wire will fly everywhere if you don't hold them with something while cutting. You might think, oh, I'll just pick them up with a magnet later. But no, they're not magnetic. They must be some kind of stainless steel. Once those are cut off, we're still not done. There's going to be these little burrs sticking up. These will cut your hand. So we need to bust out the Dremel and grind them off. The stapling part itself goes really easy and is actually kind of fun, but the clipping of the excess wire and the grinding down of the burrs, that kind of sucks. But once we're done, we'll have a kinda, sorta proper repair. There's another type of these that's actually a plastic welder. It's like a soldering iron and comes with plastic welding rods to actually fill in the crack. I have one of those on order. We'll try that out in a future video after I play around with it a bit. So far I've used this kit to repair a cracked plastic shroud on my truck, a cracked lawnmower hood, and the grill of a box fan, and the repairs have held up. Do I recommend this for repairing a $4 plastic tote like I just did? No, just go out and buy a new tote. I just needed something to demo this on for the video. But if you have something that can't be replaced, like that plastic shroud on my truck, this kit can come in really handy. There's tons of these kits on Amazon. I hesitate to recommend any of the seemingly randomly generated Chinese company names. I'd just get whichever one is the cheapest and has good reviews. The accessories and the case are junk, so don't pick a particular brand just because it has extra accessories with it. Thanks everyone for watching. Check out my channel for more tool reviews. See you later. Bye.